Today we are going to discuss some important points on career prospects after 12th. There is always a confusion among the students regarding their career choices. In this video, we are going to discuss different study options, career prospects, job opportunities, expected average salaries. Let me make it easy for you to choose wisely. I believe that along with working hard, every student should work smart too, right? As you know, the 12th standard is divided into two groups, Group A and Group B. Let us first discuss different fields for Group A. Now, the students who have chosen Group A, Maths, can go for robotics and automation. In simple words, robotic means an automatic device which can work with minimum or no human intervention. Similarly, automation means the act of implementing the control of equipment with advanced technology. As you know, in current world, everyone wants to work with machines, right? And in 19th century, our ancestors used to work with their own hands. As of now, technology is increasing day by day. It has made our work much easier. Hence, the demand of robotics and automation field is increasing day by day. After completing your program of robotics and automation, you can work as robotics engineer, automation engineer, robotics technician. And as you know, the field is in good demand. You can earn a very good income, approx $80,000 to $81,000. The second field you can go for is renewable energy. Now let me explain what is renewable energy. Renewable energy is a term used to refer to forms of energy that are naturally obtained from the environment and from sources that can be replenished naturally. This includes solar energy, wind energy, hydropower, and biomass. I believe that instead of using man-made, we can try to use what nature is giving us, right? Let's make a good use of energy provided by the environment. If we talk about the demand of this field, due to high prices and the global scarcity of non-renewable sources like petroleum, the renewable energy sector will be a big player in coming decades. Let's talk about different designations you can work on. First is Solar Project Manager, where you can earn a very good income of $83,000. If you work as a Green Construction Manager, you can earn $69,000, and as a Renewable Energy Consultant, you can earn $58,000. There are other designations as well you can work as Wind Farmer Site Manager, Water Conservation Manager, etc. Third field is Big Data. Now everybody knows what data is. Explain what is Big Data. Big Data is a technique to store, process, manage, analysis, and report a huge amount of various data at a required speed and within the required time to allow the real-time analysis and reaction. Every company requires to keep their data safe, and that too at an appropriate place, right? As a number of MNCs emerging in India, they will require data analyst, data architect to keep their data safe. Hence, this field is in demand too. Now let us discuss different designations you can work as. As you can see on the screen, working as a data scientist, you can earn a very good amount of salary, $139,000. Working as business intelligence developer, you can earn $89,000, and as data analyst, $83,000. The other designations as well: data architect, application architect, infrastructure architect. The fourth is a field which everybody is aware of, which is computer science. Everybody knows what the computer is, and I'm sure in current world IT is a trend, right? It's with number of designations you can work with. This is the second field where you can earn a very good amount of income. After successfully completing your course in computer science, you can work as artificial intelligence and machine learning specialist, where you can earn $1,39,000. Second is full stack web developer, where you can earn approx $1 lakh. Third is ethical hacking and cybersecurity expert, where you can earn approx $1 lakh. There are other designations as well. You can work as network architect, system analyst, database administrator, web developer, etc. The next field is civil engineering. As you know, India is a developing country. Civil engineers will be in demand in coming decades. The number of students who are watching this video have dreamt of making their own house with their required amenities and facilities, right? Am I sure? After completing this field, the number of designations available. You can work as construction manager, geotechnical engineer, urban planning engineer, environmental health engineer, public health engineer, transportation engineer, and you can earn very good income as well. Now let's talk about Group B. Group B does not need to think that they are not given attention, as equal opportunities available for them as well. The first field you can go for is biotechnology. Let me explain what is biotechnology. Biotechnology is a technology that involves the use of living organisms. This field is mainly used in agriculture, food science and medicines, and it's for the students who are interested in research and development. It is one of the main fields in action for the COVID-19 vaccine today. After completing this field, you can work as biochemist, biomedical engineer, biomanufacturing specialist, microbiologist and medical scientist. And students can also earn a very good income of approx $1 lakh. Second is kinesiology. Kinesiology is the study of human movement. Kinesiologists identify how the human body moves and how it can function better. Today everybody wants to stay fit, keep their body maintained along with healthy and strong, right? A number of students who are watching this video must be going to the gym regularly. This field can provide you the opportunity to help and serve others by keeping them fit, at the same time creating a great source of income for yourself as well. You can work as personal fitness trainer, kinesiology instructor, fitness club manager, healthcare or fitness coordinator, occupational therapist. The third is biology. Let us discuss the general courses first. Nursing, you can go for occupational therapy, physiotherapy, pharmacy technician, health and fitness promotion, dentistry, and can earn a very good income as well after completing your course. Don't get confused between biotechnology and biology. Let me explain in simple words. Biology is the branch of science that deals with the study of living organisms, whereas biotechnology is its branch that involves living organisms to develop products for human benefits. Let's discuss different fields. First is nursing. Second, you can go for occupational therapy. Third is physiotherapy. Fourth is pharmacy technician. Fifth is health and fitness promotion. And sixth is dentistry. After completing your course, you can also earn a very good income. So I hope this helped you a bit to understand different fields. Thank you for giving your time. You can call us for personal career counseling sessions on the numbers flashing on the screen. Thank you.